Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Hi5 application. So without any further ado, let's get started. There are 3 ways to uninstall this app. The first way is to simply tap and hold on the app. And here you can see app info option, tap on it. Click on the uninstall option in the bottom section of your screen. And if you're sure, tap on OK button. Similarly, the next way is to go to Settings application. Scroll down your screen and go to Apps option. Click on Manage Apps. Here in the search bar, type in Hi5. And here you can see Uninstall option in the bottom section of your screen. Tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on OK button. And finally, the last way to uninstall this app is go to Play Store. In the search bar, type in Hi5. Tap on the app. And here you can see Uninstall option. Tap on it. And if you're sure, click on the Uninstall option once again. So that is how you can uninstall Hi5 application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.